Cannabis edibles offer a discreet and potent way to experience the effects of THC and other cannabinoids. Unlike smoking or vaping, edibles are ingested, meaning they are processed through the digestive system, leading to a different onset, duration, and intensity of effects. Mastering edibles involves understanding how they work and approaching them with care and knowledge. The Bitz 420's Guide to Edibles, Do's and Don'ts. For those looking to explore the world of cannabis edibles, whether homemade or store-bought, understanding the nuances is key to a positive and enjoyable experience. Here's a breakdown of essential do's and don'ts to help you navigate the world of edibles like a pro. Do start low and go slow. This is the golden rule of edibles. It cannot be stressed enough. Edibles can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours to take effect, and their potency can be significantly higher than inhaled cannabis. Always begin with a low dose, for example 5 to 10 milligrams of THC, and wait at least 1 to 2 hours to assess the effects before considering another dose. Patience is your greatest ally. Do understand potency and dosage. Familiarize yourself with the THC content of your edible. This information is usually clearly labeled on commercially produced edibles. If you're making your own, accurately calculating the dosage based on the potency of your cannabis and the amount used in the recipe is crucial. Don't guess, measure. Do be aware of the onset time. Remember that edibles are processed by your liver, which converts THC into a more potent compound called 11-hydroxy-THC. This process takes time, and the effects are generally longer-lasting and can be more intense than other consumption methods. Plan accordingly, especially if you have commitments. Do choose the right time and place. Consume edibles in a comfortable, safe, and familiar environment. Ensure you have no pressing responsibilities or need to operate machinery, drive, or engage in activities requiring sharp focus. A relaxed setting, perhaps with trusted friends, is ideal for your first few experiences. Do stay hydrated. While not directly related to THC's effects, it's always a good idea to drink plenty of water, especially when consuming anything, including edibles. Do consider the strain and cannabinoid profile. Different strains and cannabinoid ratios, for example, THC dominant, CBD rich, balanced THC/CBD, will produce different effects. If you're sensitive to THC or looking for a more relaxed experience, opt for edibles with a higher CBD content or a balanced ratio. Do store edibles safely. Keep all cannabis edibles out of reach of children and pets. They can sometimes be mistaken for regular treats. Store them in their original packaging, clearly labeled, and in a secure location. The don'ts of edible consumption: don't overconsume, redosing too soon. The most common mistake with edibles is taking too much because the effects haven't kicked in yet. You might feel like you haven't consumed enough and take another dose, only for both doses to hit you with overwhelming intensity. Resist the urge to redose before the initial dose has fully taken effect. Don't drive or operate machinery. The psychoactive effects of edibles can impair judgment, coordination, and reaction time. Never drive or operate any heavy machinery while under the influence of edibles. Don't consume on an empty stomach, if sensitive. While some prefer an empty stomach for faster absorption, others find it leads to a more intense experience. If you're new to edibles or sensitive, having a small, non-fatty meal beforehand can help temper the effects. Don't expect instant results. Unlike smoking or vaping, the delayed onset of edibles means you need to be patient. Don't assume it's not working if you don't feel anything after 30 minutes. Don't mix with alcohol. Combining alcohol and cannabis edibles can lead to unpredictable and potentially unpleasant side effects, including increased anxiety, paranoia, and nausea. It's best to avoid this combination, especially when you're new to edibles. Don't eat edibles if you're anxious or stressed. If you're already feeling anxious or stressed, consuming a potent edible can exacerbate these feelings. It's best to wait until you're in a calm and relaxed state of mind. Don't share with uninformed individuals. Always ensure anyone you offer edibles to is aware of what they are consuming, the potential dosage, and the expected effects. Never give edibles to someone who is unaware they are cannabis-infused. Elevate your edible experience, the Bitz 420. Edibles can provide a unique and enjoyable cannabis experience when approached with respect and knowledge. By following these do's and don'ts, you can maximize your enjoyment and minimize any potential discomfort. Want to learn more about crafting your own potent edibles, understanding dosage, or discovering the latest trends in cannabis consumption? Make sure you're subscribed to the Bitz 420's YouTube channel. We've got a treasure trove of information waiting for you. Subscribe today and become an edible expert. If you want more information on the topics covered, or have any ideas you'd like to share with us, or just want to say hi, send us an email or message us on Telegram. And don't forget to like and subscribe.